Is your Samsung Galaxy S22 locked or any other model? No problem. Here's a quick guide to unlock it in less than 15 minutes. Here you can see phone IMEI and model for future reference. I'm inserting SIM card to phone to check if phone is actually locked. As you can see, phone asked for unlock code, which confirms phone is locked. Here is phone build number. It's located under settings about phone, then software information. Now let's buy unlock service from site unlockingsnow.com. Search for S22 or the model you need to unlock. If your phone build number is March 2023 or older, buy the V3 service, which is cheaper. If your build number is newer, then need to buy service NIST build. Our build number is supported, so we will buy this service. Just input name, last name, email and phone. From now on we will blurry personal information, IMEI's number and IPS for security purpose. There is many payment methods supported. We will use crypto USDT, which is and very low fees. Here you select the network and coin you want to use for payment. We recommend using always USDT. Now you can scan the QR code or manually copy wallet and send the total payment amount plus the network fees. For Tron it is usually $1. Make sure we receive the complete amount for fast processing your order. After you send payment, please wait a few minutes until payment is detected from blockchain. Site will update automatically. Once it's received, you will be redirected back to unlockings page and your order will be complete. Now copy your order ID and send it over site chat or WhatsApps. Copy or send picture of your build number. It's located under settings, then about phone and after software information. Here are instructions to connect our phone to technician via USB cable in order to be able to unlock it. Make sure you follow every step one by one. When you are ready, send your IP address in chat.
Saturday, 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 Saturday.
Make sure USB redirector is in step 2. Now relax and wait for the magic to happen. It should not take more than 5 to 10 minutes max. To go from step 1 to step 2, just replug your phone if it's already plugged. If phone was not plugged in, just plug it in and it will go straight to step 2. Now just wait your turn to be serviced by the technician. Time to relax. USB redirector is in step 3. It means phone is being unlocked. Please don't touch or remove phone unless you are told to do so.
Saturday, 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 Saturday. I'm waiting, I'm hoping that Saturday, 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 Saturday.
Here is confirmation that phone has been unlocked. You can now safely unplug phone. Now you can insert your SIM card and test it. If phone asks for unlock code, enter 00000000 and press unlock.
Saturday, Saturday, Saturday.
As you can see, signal poked in. You can compare phone's IMEI, it's the same we showed earlier in the video. Now enjoy your unlocked phone in less than 15 minutes. For more info, please visit www.unlockingsnow.com.